Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I was recently looking to level up my everyday coffee mugs to something extra special. And these CNGLASS coffee mugs definitely did that for me. These cups are made of absolutely crystal clear glass, so I can admire my beverage while I drink it like I'm looking at it through a window. It fits a single serving of coffee from my coffee machine in this mug perfectly, to a T, like it was made for it. These glass mugs are double-walled, which I really like. However, I like the double-walled style of these mugs better than others that I've seen. The reason is that other double-walled mugs that I've seen have been extremely thick, but the double-walled feature of these mugs is much thinner and more subtle, and I really love that. I really like the handle on these mugs too, because it's this neat little square design that I find fits so comfortably in my hand. I have totally been enjoying drinking and looking at my coffee lately through these CN glass mugs. And that's my point of view.